Hey guys, we received this RC Cars 2.4 four-wheel drive remote control car for boys as to test and try. So this is a 360 degree rotate spray all-terrain drift gesture RC car toys. So it have a light music and is good for playing for anyone. So let's just unbox it and see what's there. So it's a separate remote. So you can operate this car with the remote control. This requires the batteries that I will show you a little later on. So it's a handy one, and this is the gesture control. So this is the manual gesture control and other accessories. There is a USB-C charging with this gesture one. So the gesture one need to be charged. It's already have this battery inside, so you have to recharge it. So the normal remote control requires the batteries, and this one have the inbuilt battery. This one is the manual, the charging cable, and then the car itself. So the car, my first impression is that it's really good. This you have to put in the water so that it have this jet water spray, and then this have this on and off button which have an inbuilt rechargeable battery that you can charge with the cable. So you can see the direction it can goes up to 360-degree rotate, and then also have a really good size car here, which is really a good to handle. So for the normal remote control, here you have to put in the batteries, two AA batteries, and then we can also drive this car with this remote control. So this one, the USB-C charger cable that comes with it, and then I will just show like how to charge this. So here is the charging cable, and you can just put it in the USB. So once this is all charged, you can see like the tires and everything. Really nice looking, good size car, RC car for the kids to play. So let's have some fun in watching it. You can see like it can control with the 360 degree rotation. It's a fast speed car and can go really fast. So yeah, as you can control it with the remote control, so I'm controlling it with the remote control right now, and then you can see that everything is controlled. So it's a very nice, LED lights, looks very great. You can also use the gesture, but you have to be a little bit more experienced in using this gesture, and you can put on your wrist the way, and then it can control through the gesture also. So really a nice car, to play for the kids, and to enjoy like with many other people or whatever the age group. But overall, it's a very nice RC car with all this 360 rotation and fun and the music and the lights.